Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Trying to find your gross income on your tax return can be confusing because the IRS doesn't use the exact term gross income on the main Form 1040. But don't worry, the number you're most likely looking for is easy to find once you know where to look. When a lender, school, or other institution asks for your gross income from your tax return, they are almost always referring to your adjusted gross income, or AGI. You can find your adjusted gross income on line 11 of your Form 1040. That's it, line 11. This is the key number that the IRS and many other organizations use as a starting point for financial calculations. So why isn't it just called gross income? Let's break it down really quickly. If you look a little higher up on the form, you'll see line 9, which is labeled total income. This line is the closest thing to a true gross income figure. It's the sum of all your taxable income from every source before any deductions are taken. This includes your wages from your W-2, any interest you earned, dividends, retirement distributions, capital gains, and any business income you might have. It's the grand total of everything you brought in. The difference between this total income on line 9 and your adjusted gross income on line 11 comes from a specific set of deductions called adjustments to income. These are sometimes called above-the-line deductions, and you can see them detailed on a separate form called Schedule 1. These adjustments include things like contributions to a traditional IRA, student loan interest you paid, or half of your self-employment taxes. Essentially, the IRS lets you subtract these specific expenses from your total income to arrive at your adjusted gross income. The simple math is, total income on line 9 minus your total adjustments from Schedule 1 equals your adjusted gross income on line 11. So, to recap, if you need to provide your gross income from your tax return, go straight to line 11 for your adjusted gross income, AGI. This is the number that matters most for determining your eligibility for tax credits, deductions, and for many outside financial applications like mortgages or student aid. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you clear things up, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple answers to your tax and personal finance questions.